In this video we're going to look at what to do and what not to do in your family history research, and keep these to hand. These will be really useful as you carry out your research in the coming months and years. Working backwards in your research means you make less assumptions. Less assumptions means less mistakes. Always get the original document behind the index. Record your sources. Where did you find the information? Be patient. Note down those dates you're absolutely certain of, and don't forget to ask family members for their recollections while they're still alive. Don't assume anything until you've proven it. Don't rely entirely on internet sources or believe everything you hear. Get the evidence. Don't come forward in your research. You'll make too many assumptions